What's going on today? I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do the La Croqueta. Now, this player, his name is Andres Iniesta. He's known for doing the La Croqueta. He does it perfectly, he does it greatly, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, okay? First, what you guys wanna do is have the ball in between you like this, all right? Make sure the ball's between like this, shoulder width, legs are shoulder width apart. That's your first step. Second step, use your weak foot to bump the ball towards your weak foot, okay? Like, boom. That's the second step. Third step, when you hit the ball with your weak foot towards your strong foot, hop towards your strong foot where the ball went, okay? Like, hop that way, all right? I think that's the third step, I think that's the third step. All right, fourth step, once you hit the ball that way and you hop that way, chop the ball with you, well, not chop, but like bring it back with your strong foot. All right, so position like this, you knock the ball and then you stop it, okay? But when you stop it, you don't stop it, you know? You knock it towards the direction you want to go to. So this is how it is in real life. All right, ball's right there, and then you burst. All right, you burst with speed. Either you go speed or you go slow. You look for the player, you pass it to him, and you beat your defender like that. It's not a really difficult move. It's really easy. If you know how to do it in FIFA, you should know how to do it in real life. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.